Hey there, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're talking about finance tips for beginners. Whether you're just starting out in your career or looking to get a better handle on your finances, these tips will help you manage your money like a pro. First things first, let's talk about budgeting. Creating a budget is essential for managing your money effectively. It allows you to see where your money is going, and where you can make cuts to save more. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month, and then create a budget based on that information. Next up, saving. Saving is crucial for building an emergency fund and achieving your financial goals. Make it a habit to save a portion of your income each month. Even if it's just a small amount, it can add up over time. Debt can be a big obstacle to financial freedom. Try to avoid taking on debt, especially high-interest debt like credit cards. If you do have debt, focus on paying it off as quickly as possible. Investing in your retirement is another key aspect of managing your money effectively. Start investing in a retirement account as early as possible, even if it's just a small amount. The power of compounding means that your investments can grow over time. Diversifying your investments is also important. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, invest in different types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Education is another key aspect of managing your finances effectively. Read books, blogs, and articles on personal finance to educate yourself on best practices and strategies. Make sure to check the description below for the best books on personal finance and wealth creation. Avoiding lifestyle inflation is also important. As your income increases, resist the temptation to increase your spending. Instead, focus on saving and investing more. Shopping around is also important when making big purchases like a car or a home. By shopping around, you can find the best deal and negotiate when possible. Finally, prioritize your goals. Set financial goals for yourself and prioritize them. This will help you stay focused on what's important and avoid overspending on things that don't align with your goals. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these finance tips helpful. Remember, managing your money effectively takes time and effort, but the payoff is worth it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and advice on personal finance. See you in the next one.